When choosing a recipe kit, you're going to want to look for two things: that the kit is not expired, and that the style is easy enough to afford you the margin of error you'll need on your first brew. Now, most homebrew retailers are good about keeping their inventory up to date so that you don't end up with an expired kit. Where you'll run into trouble is if you buy a secondhand kit from an online community marketplace, or a friend gives you an old kit they never used. In both cases, you're likely to end up with an expired kit. Now, I'm not suggesting you throw it away. Most of the ingredients, like the dry or liquid malt and the hops, are probably fine. The problem arises with old yeast. The biggest issue new homebrewers have is with the fermenting process, and expired yeast is a bad place to start. If you do end up with an expired kit, I'd recommend purchasing fresh yeast from a homebrew supplier, making sure you match the type of yeast strain that was included in the kit. When it comes to choosing a style of beer, the following styles are generally regarded as easy beers, in that they don't require special ingredients or steps, and their flavor profiles are better at hiding mistakes that might happen on your first brew. Those styles are wheat ale, amber ale, brown ale, pale ale, and porter. It's entirely up to you which one to pick, but remember that your new beer won't be ready to drink for at least a month. So if you're someone who enjoys certain styles at certain times of year, like a crisp pale ale at the turn of summer or a rich porter during that first snowfall, select your recipe accordingly.